Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a tool that I've been using a lot here in the garage lately. It's the X-431 Pro Ace scanner. If you're into working on cars like I am, you'll want to stick around for this because I'm going to be explaining everything there is to know about. Let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, the setup. When I got the X-431 Ace, Pro Ace, it was pretty much ready to go right out of the box. It's got this really nice 10-inch touchscreen that's super responsive, and honestly, it's just really a solid piece of gear. The build quality is great. It feels sturdy, real thick, heavy, which is important because I tend to be a bit rough on my tools. One thing that I really like about the scanner is how comprehensive it is. It's not just about basic code reading. It covers a ton of system, engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, you name it. It covers it pretty widely. I've used it on a few different cars now, and it's been spot on every time. The live data stream is especially cool because you can see everything that's going on inside the vehicle as it's running in real time. Another feature that's a big game changer for me is the bi-directional control that lets you test things like fuel injectors, electronic valves and pumps directly from the scanner. No need to crawl under the hood or anything, just run the tests and get your results. It's really convenient, especially when you're troubleshooting really tricky issues. Something else that's pretty cool about the X431 Ace Pro Ace gives you the access to Google Play Store, where you can download other apps that might be convenient in your garage. This means you can download additional apps, customize your scanner even more. Whether it's for more diagnostic tools or other useful automotive apps, you've got the flexibility to make this device work exactly for you. Plus, Launch has a range of add-on products and features that you can integrate with the X431 Pro Ace. So as your needs grow or change, you can easily upgrade and add more capabilities to the scanner. It's a great way to future-proof your investment inside your garage. Another thing that I love is the Wi-Fi connectivity. The scanner gets regular updates, so it's always up to date with the latest vehicle models and diagnostic protocols. Plus, the wireless setup means that you're not tethered to the car, which, I mean, honestly, it is a big plus in my book. Now let's talk about the design for a second. It's compact, not too lightweight. It's got some weight to it, but that's okay. It feels well built. The battery life is solid too. I haven't really got it down below 90%. It holds charge very well, which is awesome because when you're into a diagnostic station, it stays charged. You don't have to worry about the battery. Anyways, with that, let's wrap things up. The X431 Pro Ace has been an awesome addition to my toolkit. It's got a ton of features. It's easy to use, and it's made my life a lot easier. When it comes to diagnosing and fixing issues, if you're looking for a reliable professional grade scanner that's also customizable, I definitely recommend you giving this one a shot. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further updates. Thanks. See you next time.